Paint him like one of your French girls. Welcome to Zhangjiajie Day 2, and I'm going into the Grand Canyon, which has the longest glass bridge in the world. And first we're going to have a bit of a trek to get there. And I'm really annoyed because you're not allowed to bring cameras in here at all. Not cameras, not drones, nothing. So my bag went through the X-ray scanner and they flagged it, and I had to go put it in a locker. With my drone and my A6500, I've managed to smuggle my Canon G7X in, which is this camera right now. So at least we have that, but I'm sickened. Had the drone fully charged, ready to go. Wish you luck, we won't let it get us down too much. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe if you're new. Let's go. The one thing I know is once you go down all these steps, and it keeps going down, way down, you have to come back up because the bridge is on top of the canyon. So we're hiking down to the bottom of the canyon only to hike back up again. So that's gonna be tough. I've been motoring down at high speed, overtaking everyone. Almost there. Where's the pot of gold at? We're at the end of the rainbow, is right there. No gold. Where's the gold? Looks like you can take an elevator up if you're lazy, but we're walking. Pretty sure the glass bridge is over 300 meters high, just over 300. I'm pretty sure the Empire State Building is 300 and something. So we pretty much have to scale the height of the Empire State Building now. And the Empire State Building, I guess, will kind of fit into the canyon here, which is an interesting way of putting it into perspective. I feel like we're walking into communist China's underground lair. Where's the plutonium? Where's the plutonium? Somehow managed to get into an elevator. Ni hao. That seemed to shave off quite a few steps. I would have happily walked, but I had no choice. You had to take the elevator today for some reason. Haven't actually seen how high we've come yet, so let's have a look right now. Ah yeah, pretty high, pretty damn high. There's the bridge there. You know as well, you can bungee jump off the bridge. It's the highest bungee jump in the world, but I don't think they're doing it at the moment. I was on the website trying to see if I could book it because I wanted to do it. It was like about €100, but you only live once, and I'm here. And you jump from the platform at the bottom. If you can see the two platforms, you jump from, I don't know which one, but one of them. And it goes way down. There you go, we've made it to the glass bridge. You have to put these little slipper things on so you don't obviously dirty the glass too much. Just to give you an idea for time, it's been less than an hour since I began this, went down into the canyon and up, but I went very fast. I'd say at an average person's pace, it'll be about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get to the bridge. It's pretty cool, but probably a bit overhyped in my opinion. Ah, ni hao.
Hey, hello.
Yeah, and when you're not from China, you get a lot of looks. Ni hao. Woo! Very good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Paint them like one of your French girls. They look as if they're going skiing. Here you go. There you go. Hey. Leave me hanging. Left me hanging. Oh. LeBron. So that was the glass bridge. It's cool, but in my opinion, not worth the money, which was this figure right here. Now I'm going to go back to Zhangjiajie National Park because I can still go back in. It's still very early. It's, what time is it? It's just 10:40 now. Oh, Kobe Bryant.
所小的校长给小学的还要在朝鲜门口等到。
Well, Mup, what's the story? Hey? Hey? I'm only joking. Look how red this Mupper's face is. Hey, come here. No? Okay, okay. I hear you. I don't blame you. Jeez, they have lovely bums, don't they? This one's carrying her young. Breastfeeding. Okay, sorry, just stay still a second. Sorry, just a second. Cheers, just zooming in. Buy yourself something nice. Buy yourself something nice, go on. I'm not sure how I'm doing for time, so I'm just going to walk along the Golden Whip stream here. It's a 6-kilometer walk. I hope it's a good one. Those rock formations are the size of skyscrapers, absolutely huge. And when I flew the drone up there, I couldn't believe how high I actually had to fly the drone for it to be on level with them. I'm sweating right now. I'm wearing shorts, I'm wearing a t-shirt. And then look at these two. They're carrying this massive metal rod, and sure, she's wearing a sleeveless jacket, trousers, a jumper. And he's wearing long trousers and a jacket himself. I don't know how they do that. Very beautiful walk along here. It really reminds me of when I was in Yosemite National Park in California in 2007, 11 years ago, a long time ago. But that's what this reminds me of. And we're just walking, like I'm walking through a foresty area with the big stone formations all around me, big rock formations, really, really beautiful, and I'm loving it. When I first began this walk, the fact that it was all shaded was really nice because it was nice and cool. But now it's too cool. I'm starting to get really cold. I can't wait to get back into that sun whenever I can. And look at the size of that. I'm blown away by every single one of them. Oh, that feels good.
A few moments later.
Left the sun again. Woo! Woo! Check out this valley that I'm in right now. Absolutely incredible. Beautiful. Here. No problem. It's $1. You can buy something with it. That seems legit. Honestly though, who is the structural engineer behind this idea? Sketch, 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 sketch. Just trying to navigate this. We have a lot of oncoming traffic. Out my way, out my way, out my way. Now we have a slow driver. Good. That seems to be the end of the Golden Whip stream, 6.5 kilometers down, and now I'm in this nice open area. So that wraps up day 2 of my trip here at Zhangjiajie. I just got dropped back off here at Wulingwu, where I'm staying, and see you in the next one tomorrow for day 3. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, comment down below, let me know what you thought, and make sure to subscribe to see part 3 of this Zhangjiajie tour. And I think I'm also going to do a video about tips for visiting here and potential routes you can take and all the info and prices that you need to know. So make sure to subscribe not to miss any of that. See you real soon. Good luck. I was just trying to fly the drone in the valley there. No good. Couldn't connect to GPS. I put it up anyway with ADI mode, which means it just knows the altitude. It doesn't know where it is, so it can drift. Jeez, it's very hard to control. I've never really done that before. But I got it back, and landing it when I was on a narrow bridge was very difficult because it kept drifting. and I cut my finger. I cut my boo-boo.